Hey guys, what's up? On this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an amazing landing page so that you can start capturing emails and building your subscriber list to date. So let's do this. Hey guys, what's up? Hernan Vazquez here again with you. Thank you once again for watching these videos. It's been amazing the amount of support and feedback that I have been having from you guys, so keep it coming. I just wanted to tell you guys and show you how thankful I am. And as you can see, I'm not a YouTuber. I haven't done this for a while, and what I'm trying to do here is to share with you some of my best techniques and a ton of value so that you can actually implement this on your business. Okay, so I ask for forgiveness if I screw up or fuck it up, you know, on some, if I don't have the best light or if I don't have the best camera, etc. But the main point here is that I just want to put something out there so that you can, so that you guys can benefit, etc. And on this video, I want to show you guys real quick how you can actually generate your own landing page. I'm going to show you exactly how to generate that on ClickFunnels, which is one of my tools of choice. I'm also working with OptimizePress, with Instapage, with lead pages, but this video is going to show you how to create your first lead capture, lead magnet landing page so that you can start building your email list right now. Okay guys, so let's hop into the computer. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright guys, so let's see real quick how to create your first lead capture, lead magnet page on ClickFunnels. Okay, this is super simple process, but it's gonna help you a ton when it comes to, you know, building your email list, etc. So I'm here on ClickFunnels.com, and this is the first tool that we're gonna be seeing. I'm gonna be explaining also on Instapage, lead pages, OptimizePress, etc. But this is kind of the first option when it comes to actually generating your sales funnels, because it's super simple. I'm gonna show you what to do in a minute. So head over to ClickFunnels.com. If you do not have an account, you can get a free 14 days trial account, and then you can see what's going on this page, etc. So let's log in real quick. I'm gonna log in so that you guys know what's going on. Let me log in on one of my ClickFunnels account. Then I'm gonna show you how to create your first funnel. So once you're in here, you want to go ahead and add a new funnel. On the funnel, this is the goal that you wanna pick. Let's pick collect emails because this is gonna be the simplest funnel, okay, overall. So I'm gonna click on collect emails. Then I'm gonna name this like email, let's put it something like landing capture or email capture landing page example. Okay, and here I'm gonna tag it as Hernan because I'm trying to keep everything organized over here. And then I'm gonna click on build funnel. So basically what ClickFunnels is gonna do is to do an email capture page and then a thank you page. Those are the two pages of our funnel, the two pages that ClickFunnels is building right now. So as you can see, we have the opt-in, which is gonna be your capture page, and then the thank you page. So basically on the opt-in page, we're gonna be like offering our lead magnet, okay? And then on the thank you page, we're gonna be telling them next instructions to follow, like something like, you know, click here to download, or, you know, check your inbox. That's probably what you want to do. Okay, you want to double confirm or double opt-in your emails so that people are actually opening your PDF or your lead magnet on their emails and not downloading them on the page right after that. Okay, so first off, what we want to do is to pick a template for the opt-in. As you can see, ClickFunnels has a ton of templates, different templates, you know, that you can use, some simpler, some with videos. So depending on what you want to do is the template that you want to use, okay? You can also start with blank, but here let's find something real simple so that I can show you real quick how to do that. And I saw that, okay, let's use this one, okay? Let's preview it so that you know how it looks. So here is gonna be your heading. This is gonna be your subheading, okay, your call to action. Click here to start now. If I click on it, it's gonna shoot me the opt-in form. All right, so we're gonna use this one. So let's close this. We're gonna use this one. So I'm gonna select template real quick. and then ClickFunnels is setting it up for me. All right. And then what I want to do also is to pick a thank you page while we're at it. You know, a template for the thank you page. Then I'll come back here and edit the thank you page. But first, let's do something like this. So I'm gonna select this template real quick. And there we have it on ClickFunnels. So now we have the opt-in page and the thank you page. Let's go back to the opt-in page. So we're gonna edit a little bit the page so that you know what's going on and how to edit all of this. So as you can see, everything is movable here, everything is editable. You can edit every piece of content that you see over here. So first off, the logo. It's super important that you have some kind of logo here. It's super important, not only for branding purposes, but also if you are sending something like PPC traffic, pay-per-click traffic from Facebook, for example. This is also a sign of trust. So this logo, you will have to switch it for your own logo. All right. If you want to change the color for this bar, let's say that you want to make it white because your logo is black or dark, you will click on this wheel right here on the green bar, and here on BG color, you will switch to something like gray or white, whatever. Okay. But for the time being, let's just put it over here. So there we have it. Okay. We have a black bar with the logo on top. Now, step number 2 is to actually change this bar with the content. So what I'm going to do is to switch the color a little bit. Let's say that I want to put it, I don't know, maybe a green. Okay. I don't want to make it too complicated for you guys, but okay, let's say that I want to use this blue, which sucks, but by the way, so I'm going to use another. Okay, let's do that one. So then we want to change the header, and the header should be strictly benefit oriented. All right, so as you can see is discover the #1 trick to boost your conversion rates. So what we are offering here, the #1 trick to do what? To boost your conversion rates. And as you can see, this is super benefit oriented, because people that are actually landing in here, they will actually, you know, learn or discover rather the #1 trick to do this, okay, to boost conversion sales. And then what's interesting on this landing page is that we have a without, even without changing a single thing about your landing page. All right, without changing a single thing about landing page. So you get the benefit and you do not get the trouble. So you want to add a benefit and then overcome the first objection that comes to mind, which would be, okay, yeah, I can boost conversion rates, but I'll need to redesign my website. Okay, so here we are saying that that's not true. So let's do something like learn, let me erase this, learn the 10 tools marketers use to bring free traffic to our website. Okay, let's do this, to your website. So here we're gonna say learn the 10 tools. Let's do famous marketers. Okay, famous marketer use to bring free traffic to their websites. Okay, so this is what we're gonna be showing. You will need to be split testing, and I'm gonna show you how to split test this in a bit to see what's gonna work best. But again, guys, this has to be strictly benefit oriented. And here we're gonna do a without. Okay, even if you have, double spaces, even if you have no experience or you are a complete newbie. Okay, so as you can see, even if you have no experience or you are a complete newbie. So learn the 10 tools famous marketer use to bring free traffic to their websites, even if you have no experience or you are a complete newbie. Okay, so here we have the benefit, and then we have the subheadline. Then what we want to do is to state that this is going to be a free report. So as you can see, it says get started right away, download the free report. So free report is going to be repeated more than once. I'm going to show you why. And then we have a big call to action. The call to action is going to be this button. Click here to start now. And this should be the sore thumb on this page. So let's do it, you know, orange or something like that. Okay, so it's like the sore thumb on this page. So as you can see, it's blue, white, black, and here is orange. Okay, so it's super in your face. And then you need to have this with respect your privacy and have a zero tolerance for spam. You can also link to your privacy policy, will make it even better. Okay, privacy policy, and here is going to be the link to your domain.com/privacy. Okay, this is your privacy policy, and you want to have this linked right here. Okay, guys, because again, we want these to be compliant with PPC, etc. And then you need to have this. This is a must. Copyright 2016. Let's put HernanVazquez.com, and here we have privacy policy, terms and condition, and I would also add support. Even if you have a support desk, if you don't, do not worry. You should put your contact page. Okay, so your domain.com/contact us. This is gonna be your support desk for your for the time being. Okay, boom, there we have it. So let me add that again. For some reason didn't cut it, so let's do this again. Your domain.com/contact us. Again, guys, even if you do not have a support desk, you want this to have the privacy policy, terms and conditions, and support. And then we can ditch the power by ClickFunnels. I'm gonna click here and click on the waste bin. Boom, and there we have it. All right, so what we have right here is, you know, the header, the subheader, and then this box. And when we click here, let's see what it does. So the URL action to the right, the URL action is gonna be open pop-up. So this is interesting because on some pages you will see that the email capture or the form, or it's on the page itself. You know, you can have the form here, but the thing is that I've discovered, and there are studies that says, you know, that when people are actually clicking here and actually, you know, filling up the form, they are more enticed to actually, you know, respond to your emails, etc., because they are taking another action. So this is gonna be the open pop-up. On ClickFunnels, you also have some other templates that I'm gonna, you know, that we're gonna be diving into other videos, but you have other templates that they will have the opt-in form right on the page. But on this page, I just want to open the pop-up, so I'm gonna click here, open the pop-up, and then if I click here, show pop-up, this is the pop-up that's gonna pop up when somebody clicks here, right, guys? So I'm clicking on here, and here it says sign up to get the full course right now. Well, it says free report here, so we want to be consistent. Okay, so leave us your email to get access to the free report. Okay, and then you want to say full email address. On some cases, you know, people will actually tell you just to collect the email. It will depend on the, you know, the relationship that you want to have with your audience. So if you're trying to, you know, get a relationship, I would rather go with email, name and email. If you're trying to, you know, just collect emails, just go with email, but I'm gonna leave these two. And then this is gonna be, you know, input type, full name, or it can be first name. Whatever you want to do, first name, and then your email address. It's gonna be here, input type email address. And here I'm gonna change it a little bit as well. Yes, send me access to the free report. Okay, and this is gonna be the sore thumb as well, so we want to put it in orange. There we go. And the URL/action is gonna be submit form, because once they fill this up, they're going to be submitting the form. Okay, so now we have our landing page ready. The next step is gonna be to set up your email autoresponder. And you know, I made another video. I'm gonna leave a link over here so that you can check it out. My two best autoresponder options, you would say, and they're gonna be linked here on the description below. But what I want to do now is to set up your autoresponder. So you go to email, and here you will put the HTML form. You choose HTML form, and then you can integrate an existing form, and you can paste the HTML code that your email provider gave you to put it here, okay, so that you are actually collecting name and email addresses. ClickFunnels will also save these, like your name and your email addresses, on a lead section of the website, but you want them to be, landing directly on your autoresponder, so that you are actually, later you can send them like a follow-up sequence, or you can send them like, a broadcast or something like that. You can send them emails directly from your autoresponder. So that's that. And then another thing that I see a lot of marketers, a mistake that I see a lot of marketers making, is that they do not change this one right here, okay? My awesome landing page, and this looks, super unprofessional. So what you want to do is to go to settings. You want to go to the meta tags, social settings, and here you can change it, okay? So here I'm gonna put something like download or free report, and as you can see, we have it changed here. Then I'm gonna change the descriptions, because remember guys, these pages can actually rank on Google, so you want these to be enticing to click. So here what I want to do is to put something like learn the top 10 tools famous marketers use to bring traffic to their websites, something like that. Then you can add keywords, your author, your name or your company name, and then your social image. Social image is going to be the logo that pop-ups when you're sharing this on Facebook. So you can have your logo here, you can have whatever. So I'm going to click on save real quick, guys, so that we move forward to the thank you page. So just to recap, we have the header, the subheader, the call to action, the pop-up with the opt-in form, and that's hooked up to your autoresponder. Now what we want to do is to click on exit. Let's save this real quick, and then we're gonna click on exit, so that we are completely sure that we're saving. And then what we want to do is to go to the thank you page. The thank you page, again, we're gonna tweak it a little bit. So I'm gonna click on edit page, and here on the editor I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. What I usually do is to send a confirmation link, and once they click that link, they will actually get the PDF. All right, guys? So just so you know, that's how it works. You do not want to put the report here, because otherwise people can actually put whatever email or a fake email and they will access the report. You do not want that, okay? If you want to actually collect emails, you just want to send the link to the email, to the PDF, to the report or to the lead magnet via email, okay? That's how you are actually making sure that people are using a real email. So what I want to do here is thanks. What I want to do is to put please check your email for a confirmation link, okay? And here please allow 10 to 15 minutes for the confirmation link to arrive. You will need to click on it to receive the report. If it doesn't arrive shortly, please check your spam folder. Okay, guys? So as you can see, we're telling people be patient. Let me put an enter over here. Be patient. I'm going to send you a confirmation link. This is usually done by your autoresponder automatically. You do not need to actually be manually, sending confirmation links. That would be crazy. But this is done by your autoresponder on autopilot. So every time somebody signs up, they will get an email saying, hey, confirm your subscription. They will click on that subscription, then they will get the PDF that's set up on your autoresponder. So I do not need this button. Instead of having the download now report here, what I want to do is to do something like another call to action, like follow me on my YouTube channel and get access to a lot of resources. And then what I want to do here is to URL action. I'm going to put my YouTube channel here for Hernan Vazquez or something like that. All right, guys? Then share the report with your friends. I do not want to do that because I want people to actually sign up. And then again, we need this, yourdomain.com or reserved, and the terms and services, we're gonna link them to the terms of service page. All right, simple as that. So yourdomain.com/terms. Boom. So now we have it. We're gonna change this awesome landing page as well. So again, settings, meta tags, and here what I want to do is to do something like thanks, it worked, now check your email, something like that. All right, guys, we do not want these to be indexed on the search engines. So I think there's an option over here to actually hide from the search engines, because the thank you page, we do not want that. If anything, we want the other page, okay, the opt-in page, to be found on the search engines, not the thank you page actually. So I'm gonna click on save here, and that's pretty much it, guys. So let's see how it works. Now what you want to do, if you want to set up your custom domain instead of sm.clickfunnels.com/opt-in, these kind of things, what you want to do is to go to help and see the documentation to actually set up your own custom domain. Maybe we can make another video with the step-by-step on how to set up your custom domain, so it's yourdomain.com/opt-in instead of these. But for the time being, you can use this URL, and here is gonna appear, or it should appear, my report. So learn the 10 tools, blah, 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 famous marketers, the subheader, get started right away, click here to start now, boom, and here we put name, email, etc. Now all you need to do is to set up a Facebook campaign, or you can have a banner sending people to this traffic. You can actually promote this on Facebook groups, whatever. Try to not spam, of course, but you can do pretty much anything you want now that you have your email capture page. And what's good about this is that they will get actual value from you, because they will get the 10 tools famous marketer use to bring free traffic to their websites. All right, guys, they will get value from you even before you are actually talking to them. I mean, you're not even talking to them, and they are getting free value from you. Okay, guys? So you're not selling them anything. You're just promoting free content, which is the gist of it. So that's how you create your lead capture page on ClickFunnels. If you have any questions whatsoever, just let me know, and we'll make it happen on the next video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.